At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a cybersecurity startup can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution due to the complex nature of the industry. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the cybersecurity landscape thoroughly. Identify the gaps or problems that your startup can address. This could range from data breaches to network security to compliance issues. 2. Identify your niche. Cybersecurity is a broad field. Determine the specific area within cybersecurity where you want to focus your efforts. Whether it's developing security software, offering consulting services, providing training, or something else, choose a niche where you can offer unique value. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, revenue model, marketing strategy, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will serve as a roadmap for your startup and help you secure funding if needed. 4. Build your team. Assemble a team of skilled professionals with expertise in cybersecurity, software development, sales, marketing, and business management. Your team is crucial to the success of your startup, so make sure you hire the right people. 5. Develop your product or service. Based on your market research and niche, develop a high-quality cybersecurity product or service that addresses the needs of your target customers. Focus on innovation, usability, and effectiveness. 6. Test and refine. Before launching your product or service, conduct thorough testing to ensure its reliability and effectiveness. Gather feedback from beta users and make any necessary improvements or refinements. 7. Secure funding. Depending on the scale of your startup, you may need funding to get off the ground. Consider seeking investment from venture capitalists, angel investors, or government grants. Prepare a compelling pitch deck and be ready to demonstrate the potential of your startup. 8. Legal and regulatory compliance. Ensure that your startup complies with all relevant laws and regulations, especially those related to data privacy and security. Consult with legal experts to mitigate any legal risks. 9. Launch and market your startup. Once everything is in place, launch your cybersecurity startup and start marketing your product or service. Utilize digital marketing, content marketing, social media, and other channels to reach your target audience. 10. Provide ongoing support and maintenance. After launching, continue to provide excellent customer support, regular updates, and maintenance for your product or service. Building a strong reputation for reliability and responsiveness is essential in the cybersecurity industry. 11. Stay updated. The cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving, with new threats and technologies emerging all the time. Stay informed about the latest trends, vulnerabilities, and best practices to ensure that your startup remains competitive and relevant. Starting a cybersecurity startup requires dedication, expertise, and a willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. By following these steps and staying focused on delivering value to your customers, you can increase your chances of success in this dynamic and important field. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.